So what was it? And do you think that their involvement, or what we've heard so far, let's say alleged involvement, in any way influenced disciplinary action against senior members?
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. The first one, as I said, I don't know Cat Matlala, I don't know Brown. I heard them when they were spoken in this ad hoc committee. Obviously, I went and Googled them and watched what, is natural to say what you are dealing with. But in terms of the tender, the minister raised a concern about this tender in December. And I must say, I did not understand, because we don't get involved in tenders as deputy ministers or as ministers. It's the accounting office. So I don't know what tender is there or what. So I was surprised when the minister raised a concern about this tender. Then he called a meeting convened by